All right, guys, some big news.
We just saw a moose.
So
this is our first full day in Grand Teton, and we'll be hiking to Inspiration Point, Hidden Falls, and doing Cascade Canyon. So we parked up by Jenny Lake. It took us a really long time to find a parking spot, so I'd recommend getting here early. We got here around 11:30.
probably too late.
Yeah, I mean, we had to do stuff in town first. So yeah, you get here as early as you can, but it's actually 6 p.m. right now, and we are back down from the trail.
Yeah.
We're filming an intro right now because I
Deleted
the first one, so, but that's what this video will be, is that this amazing hike. We can say now, since we've done it, that it's definitely worth watching.
Yeah.
After you find parking and then make it your way up to the Jenny Lake store and visitor center, it's about probably like 5-minute walk or so to the boat shuttle. We think it's about 5 or 10 minutes, so we're gonna find out. It's $9 for one way across the lake, and then $18 for a round trip, but we're going a little bit after peak season, so the boat stops running at 4, so we're just gonna buy a one way and probably have to hike our way back around the lake later.
Seats on the lower deck here. They're really easy to put on as well. Just undo the clip from the gear.
So we actually arrived at Hidden Falls. little mix up. We ran into the small fall when we started the trail. We're like, wow, that was actually
really fast. All right, so we've made it to Hidden Falls, which is the first stop on the trail up to Cascade Canyon.
But no, this is Hidden Falls right behind us, and it is really beautiful. We just walked up, and all you hear is the falls, and then it's just, bam, it's right there. So
yeah, and we definitely were like, wow, we're climbing up a lot. Like, we had to climb up a lot more to get here than the other one, and it's a lot more impressive than that little stream we came across.
Yeah.
This is still a pretty busy hike up to here. I think it'll be pretty busy at least until we get to Inspiration Point, and then hopefully it kind of clears out.
It's kind of cool because they're all kind of within like a 0.5 radius. So it's like we go to Hidden Falls here, and then we go Inspiration Point, and then we go to Cascade, so it's like really quick and easy. So,
and the canyon is about 10 miles out and back, so I don't think we're going to do the full 10 today, just since it's a little bit later, but definitely hoping to see some wildlife there. It's so pretty up there.
Alright, we made it to lower Inspiration Point. We're on our way up.
We don't really know what it's named.
I feel like I'm not too inspired, but like I'm kind of
inspired. Mildly inspired.
So I think that's why I think it's lower Inspiration. So.
But we're gonna keep going up this pretty steep hill. We like go up there and then up there. Almost there. So the last part of the trail up here, it's like a straight drop down. So just be really careful coming up, because I feel like you slip and you're just like dead.
We are at the peak of Inspiration Point.
Yes.
And this is Jenny Lake right behind us here. It's an awesome view. I mean, just I can see why they call it Inspiration Point.
So it took us about 45 minutes to get up here. Like we showed you, there's a lot of different little switchbacks, so it's kind of steep, but really, I mean, I think it's doable. It's nothing too terrible, honestly. From here, we're gonna head back into Cascade Canyon and probably do like a couple miles of that in.
I'm tired in so many ways. Been gone for 7
water filter system, and this is nice cold water, so we thought we'd try it out. Quit. Okay, so we bought the Sawyer one. This is the most popular one. And it comes with a bag, but it also works with like Life water bottles and a few other ones. You just screw it on. Spray yourself in the face. So then you attach the straw.
Is it going well?
You want a drink?
No. Sorry.
It's actually, no, it actually is really good.
I don't know where I wanna go, but I swear to let you know.
Alright guys, some big news.
We just saw a moose.
It was incredible. It was probably about, I don't know, 20 feet away from us, but it was really in some thick brush. It was really hard to get a good picture of it. They were very awesome, beautiful animals. I mean, they're what do you call that? They're
Large.
no, they're the stuff on their antlers.
Like the velvet?
Oh yeah, so their
Yeah.
velvet was shedding, which evidently is a very rare thing to see. And
He
it's
was
just kind of
shaking
like
his head around,
shaking
trying to
his
get it off.
head, like trying to get it off. It's just like super awesome. We just wrapped up the end of the trail. Well, not the end of the trail. We came to a conclusion at which it was like, okay, it goes on for probably a lot longer. It's the same thing,
Here,
but
I'll
it's
show
just
you.
in this valley. It's really pretty.
So I didn't download the trail this time, but you can see. So we started over here, which is where the boat dropped us off. And then we made it all the way down. And we made it all the way down here, and it goes all the way that way. So we're gonna head back.
In short words, we're just gonna head back.
The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams.
So back there is where we've come from, through the canyon. And we made really good time back. So we spent about, what, 2 hours or so going back. We stopped for the moose, and we stopped for lunch, and we just stopped for a lot of really amazing viewpoints. So we're back at Inspiration Point, and on the way back, we're gonna follow the trail around Jenny Lake to get back to our car.
So we gotta go down there to Inspiration Point, go back all the way down, go all the way back down there, down to the boat dock, which is like somewhere in there, and then all the way back around the lake to our parking, which is right over there.
Phone recording, because we don't have our camera. We're on the Jenny Lake trail now, which just takes us along the lake back to the parking lot. It's so beautiful. It's
calm.
yes.
It's still. It's nice.
The water is so clear. It's
The
like
weather's-
crystal clear.
Weather's like cooling off now. It's starting to come, trying to like dip below. All right, so we are right there, and our car is all the way over there. So you can see we are making our way around the lake, and we should be there in probably like 10 minutes. It was a joke. It's probably like an hour.
Made it back to the boat dock. So it took us about an hour and a half to get back, but our car is just like 10 minutes that way. You get to park really close to the boat, and then you end up back here. You just follow that route we just did, which was 8.5 miles in total. That's what we did today. It was 8.5 miles.
That was awesome. It was a good hike.
What do you rate?
Alright, that wraps up day one of our trip. We had a great time. We're very tired. We ran into some moose. Had some surprises along the way, but they were definitely good surprises.
We're gonna drive back to Jackson. The highway drive is beautiful. You're really close to the Tetons the whole time. We're gonna go to the grocery store and grab some dinner, and call it a night. I don't think we're gonna do anything else.
What do you think about this view?
It's so dry. Oh God.
What are we saying?
Just for our first day. We've just arrived. It's a lie. We've been here for 6 hours.